everyone! In this video, I'll make the most delicious and crispy lemon pepper wings you have ever tasted. These wings are perfect for game day, a party or just as a delicious snack. So let's get started and make some mouth-watering lemon pepper wings. In a bowl, take chicken wings with skin, add garlic powder in it, white pepper powder, some paprika powder, salt, baking soda, baking powder and some cooking oil. Coat the chicken wings with masala. Rest for 30 to 40 minutes and keep it aside. Heat pan, add butter. Melt the butter on low flame. Add chopped crushed garlic. Saute on medium heat for 30 seconds. Add the lemon zest. Add red chili flakes, some paprika powder, some chopped parsley, juice of lemon. Mix and cook for 2 to 3 minutes on low heat and close the flame. Coat the chicken wings in corn flour from all these sides. Fry all the wings in piping hot oil till light golden brown in color. All the chicken wings are crispy and golden fried. Pour the garlic parsley sauce on top of it. Toss it, coat it on top of the fried chicken wings. Masala is coated nicely. Keep it aside. Let's prepare the dip. Take mayonnaise. I'm using eggless mayonnaise for the dip. Add some chopped parsley, lemon juice, onion powder, garlic powder, salt, pepper powder. Mix well and serve it with hot fried lemon pepper wings. The tangy lemon zest and spicy pepper create a perfect balance of flavor that will leave your taste buds wanting more.